Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to fix Android phone battery draining fast. So if your phone using more battery, apply these tricks. So watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure, and if this video really helps you out, to subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to turn off the application that is working in the background. So right now I have no recent app in my working back in the background. So first of all, you have to clear all the application that is working in the background, and after that you have to go to the settings and scroll up, and here you have to click on the battery option. Okay, from here you have to click on the adaptive battery and turn this option on. So once you will turn this option on, it will automatically adjust your battery in a well manner, or use a battery in a well manner. So go back and you can also scroll down and you can use auto brightness. Don't use full brightness of your phone, just make it on auto. Moreover, go back and go to your display settings, and you have to click on the advanced and turn your phone to the dark theme. It will consume less battery as compared to default mode. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.